There are many AI avatar generators online, but the problem is that most of them are not free. And even if a tool offers a free plan, it usually comes with a limit. In this video, I will show you how to generate AI avatar videos for free and locally, even on a low VRAM PC. By the way, I created this avatar video the same way. We will use Sad Talker and Pinokio AI for this. Let's not waste time. Let's get started. First, go to the Pinokio AI website. Download Pinokio according to your operating system and install it. Open its Explorer and search for Sad Talker. Click Install, then install it. It will take some time because Pinokio has to download the dependencies. Here's our Sad Talker interface. As you can see in the top left corner, we need to upload the source image. Let me upload my avatar image here. I recommend keeping the image in a 1:1 ratio with a resolution of 512. You can crop or resize the image in the pre-process. Next, we have the input audio option. Let me upload an audio file. Now, let's play it. Like the video and comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have low VRAM, it is better to keep the audio duration short and create the video in chunks. A better limit is 200 to 300 characters. If you do not want to use any image or audio, just an idle animation, you have the option for that too. You can also set the idle animation time. I will use audio, so I'm not using that option. Sad Talker also gives you an option for a reference video. Let me upload one. Let's play it. For this, you have to check the Use Reference Video option. You can also choose what to use. Pose, blink, both, or all. Only use this option if you have a strong GPU and more than 12 GB of VRAM. Otherwise, it might crash during processing. So, since I have 8 GB of VRAM, I am not using it. Pose style controls how much the head tilts, nods, and moves around. It goes up to 45, but 10 to 20 looks natural. It adds subtle, lifelike swaying and nodding. Be careful, because on some images, high numbers can make the hair or neck look glitchy or distorted. I will set it to 16. Expression scale controls how wide the mouth opens and how much the face reacts to the audio. The range is 0 to 3. Higher than 1.5 can sometimes make the face look rubbery or distorted. I will set it to 1. Always check Use Eye Blink. It looks better. For face model resolution, if you have 4 GB RAM or less, keep it at 256. I will go with 512. Pre-process tells Sad Talker how to frame your avatar before it starts animating. As I mentioned before, crop is the safest option for a low VRAM PC. It automatically zooms in and cuts the image, so only the face and a bit of the neck are visible. Resize takes your whole image and squashes or stretches it into a square. Full animates the face but keeps the entire original image, including the shoulders, background, and everything else in the final video. Ext Crop and Ext Full are extended versions of the ones above. They include a bit more of the chest and shoulders than the standard crop or full options. For now, I will choose full. If you're using the full option like me, always check still mode, otherwise the head will get chopped off. Face Render is the engine that actually draws the movement onto the face. FaceVid 2Vid focuses on making the head move naturally and preserving your avatar's identity, keeping it close to the original image. PerRender uses a different mathematical method to warp the face, which can sometimes result in smoother lip syncing. If you have less than 12 GB of VRAM, go with FaceVid 2Vid like me. Batch size and generation determines how many frames of video your GPU processes at the same time. Be careful, because increasing this number makes generation faster, but it also uses a massive amount of VRAM. So if you have less than 12 GB of VRAM like me, use the default setting of 1. GFPGAN as Face Enhancer is an AI tool that cleans up the face after the animation is finished. Sad Talker often makes the face look a little blurry or pixelated. Checking this box will make the eyes, teeth, and skin look much sharper and more professional. It makes the generation take 20% to 30% longer, but it is worth it. Let's hit Generate and create our AI avatar video. It will take some time depending on the length of the text, your PC, and the settings you use. Here it is.
Like the video and comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Not bad. So that is how you generate your AI avatar talking locally and freely without any limit. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye.